cannot play without 4 people in the team.
Sir.
मीरा जी.
मीरा कौन मीरा?
She's an intern. We can't have her.
Intern, Miss Intern 2016. Come here, quickly.
Soda, whiskey, lollipop, M9 fashion on laptop. Soda, whiskey, lollipop, M9 fashion on the... Meera! क्या ये? What is this?
What? Dude, I don't need this much, okay? You and Karthik are such hookers.
Of course, all you need is sex and cigarettes, right? Come on, Sam, these are not food bills. ये सारे shopping bills हैं तेरे नाम के. So, there is clearly something going on over here जिसके बारे में मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है और इसके लिए मेरे पैसे खर्च हो रहे हैं.
Meera, chill. Okay, this is for work.
Oh, work. वैसे तू करती क्या?
As if you don't know.
I don't. Tell me.
I'm not telling you again and again. वैसे भी, my job is very boring.
Oh. तो ये must have bikini भी ऑफिस के लिए होगी क्यों?
Meera, can you stop being so nosy and stop overreacting, okay?
Samira, you're shopping too much. You need to control it, yaar, and stop lying to me.
I'm not lying, okay?
Samira, just accept it. तू हर दिन कुछ एक्सक्यूज बना के मुझसे पैसे लेती है और मुझे एग्जैक्ट सेम अमाउंट का कहीं बिल घर पे पड़ा हुआ मिलता है. मतलब एटलीस्ट हाइड योर बिल्स यार. You're a liar and you're dumb.
Wow. वैसे तो क्या पहनने वाली है आज रात को? क्या फर्क पड़ता है? रात तक सब कुछ उतर ही जाएगा इवेंचुअली.
Shut up. Samira, I'm sorry यार.
चल, let's get something to wear for you. Not working here. चल, I'll show you something.
कैसी लग रही हूँ मैं?
Oh, wow.
वैसे ही जैसे रोज लगती हो.
चल मीरा, मम्मी की दही शक्कर समझ के पी जा. That's my girl.
ओके, मेरा वेट नहीं करना. मैं कल ही आऊँगी.
जा मेरी शेख, पता करके आना.
दरवाजा खुला छोड़ा है. How smart.
Oh, hi, Meera. Come in. This is Trisha, my meditation guru, and Trisha, that's Meera.
हाय. सुमेर, मुझे लगा आज हम दोनों.
Yes, I've been looking forward to this. Come sit down. So, how was your day?
Very hectic. Can we order some wine?
I've got a bottle, but why don't you try some yoga?
Yoga.
Yeah?
अभी.
Abhi. Come on, sit. Not there. Yeah. Come on. Don't be scared. Arey yaar, that's too far. Come a bit closer. Come on. Okay, close your eyes. So, breathe in. Breathe out. All the negative energy that you have, release it into the universe and take in the positive energy. Again, breathe in. Are you okay? Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. You just got a little cramp. Sorry, just stretch your out. Wanna go inside?
Hi.
Oh, what a beautiful morning glow you have.
Thank you.
But you know, it won't last forever, you know. So, अभी से उठते ही fresh vegetable juice पीने की आदत डाल लो. I'm making some दूधी juice. Come when you're ready, and you can wear this, my love. It's clean, don't worry.
दूधी.
So Dr. Sumer is in the house. Don't worry, I'll take care of all your needs, all your tensions. Huh? Why so much stress? You should come here every time you can. I'll make the juice in a minute. Trisha needs me.
That's okay. I'm getting late for work, so I'm gonna go.
Okay,
I'm going, huh?
fine.
I'm going, huh?
Okay. Oh, Mira. Almost forgot these. See you later. Sorry, my darling. Sorry. Close your eyes. Now, do me a favor. Breathe in, breathe out. That's it. Huh? I know you like.
Wow. Just wow. किसे पता था इतने छोटे शहर की लड़की ये कमाल करके दिखाएगी. I'm so proud of you, Meera. How was it?
It's great. अच्छा, मुझे ऑफिस के लिए लेट हो रहा है. मैं बात करती हूँ.
इशारों में तो कह चुका हूँ, इस बात को ज़ुबां पे लाऊं, क्यों सच कहूँ तो डरता हूँ.
सुना तूने? It was great. बेटा, तेरा तो पत्ता कट गया.
जाना
हटे यार, वही सब चल को.
तू भी उनकी सुन, चांद तारे भी ये चाहे कि तू मुझको चुन.
God, Meera, stop being so needy.
Avan, Avan, Avan! We discussed blue.
Blue?
Yes, the color theme for the women at the photo shoot was.
Tangerine.
We discussed blue, Aman.
But I have all the notes, Rohan.
इसका मतलब है कि आपको नोट्स बनाने ही नहीं आते। एक काम करिए, उस इंटर्न को दे दीजिए, वो आपसे ज्यादा अच्छे नोट्स बनाती है। 8 साइजेस के सैंपल्स ऑर्डर हो चुके हैं गलत कलर में। This is insane, Aman.
But Rohan.
Don't but Rohan me. This is our first collection on eBay, and I want it to be perfect. We cannot mess this up, Aman. एक बात बताइए, किस मुंह से आप लोगों को बुली करेंगी आप, जब खुद एक कलर याद नहीं रख सकती? We are days away from the shoot, Avan. I will not allow this kind of shoddy work. Go and do your job.
I've got tissues too.
मैं अकेले all by myself I handle all the designs. आगे fashion houses में there are multiple designers but not here, not with Rohan. And I always know what he wants.
रोहन सर के साथ सिर्फ तुम ही मैनेज कर सकती हो अबान। वो एक टाइम पे इतनी सारी चीजें बोलते हैं ना, पता ही नहीं चलता है व्हाट ही वांट्स। डोंट बी सो हार्ड ऑन योरसेल्फ। You're doing so well, Avan.
Meera, the first thing you really need to learn is know your place. Right now, your place is over there at your desk. मैंने तुम्हें डिजाइन स्कैन्स करने के लिए दिए थे. Are they done? वो कब? If you stop playing agony aunt and check your mails, you'll know. Take the design sketches from my desk, take it to Srinivas, वो तुम्हें high resolution में स्कैन करके देगा. Okay? Now, just don't keep standing here. Get back to work. The break is over.
No.
Wow.
What a thunder, wow. Karthik, देख यार, they love my design. You should do another
मीरा तू तो सेट हो गई यार.
What's wrong?
लाइफ इन अ न्यू सिटी कैन बी चैलेंजिंग, पर आपके पास राइट सपोर्ट सिस्टम हो तो यही चैलेंजेस बन सकते हैं एडवेंचर। मुंबई में मेरी अब तक की जर्नी भी कुछ ऐसी ही रही है। दोस्त जो बने रूममेट्स, ड्रीम इंटर्नशिप और मिया माई रेड स्कूटर जिसके साथ यही चैलेंजेस बने एडवेंचर्स। आपकी भी लाइफ में कोई मिया जैसी स्कूटर होगी जिसके साथ आपकी अनफॉरगेटेबल मेमोरीज और मजेदार स्टोरीज जुड़ी होंगी, right? Then tell me all about your scooter adventures by participating in the Castrol Active Scooter Girl in the City contest. आपकी winning stories will give you a chance to be a part of a fabulous music video with me, Meera Sehgal.
Hey Mira, long time.
You know her?
Yeah, she's my neighbor.
Neighbor.
What else?
मीरा मीट मायरा मायरा मीरा.
Presented by Castrol Active Scooter. Powered by eBay.in.